Hi, in this video, I'm going to showing you how to create a landing page on Wix and also how to connect your email business to your Wix website. The first thing you do is click Design Site and then click Page and Menu. And then you can click Site Menu, Add New Page, and then click Landing Page. So here you can choose your template. I choose here and rename the landing page. Click Done and X. And then here are your landing page, so you can customize here. Double click to the text so you can customize the font. You want it to bigger or smaller, and then you can change the font and another edit like bold, italic, underline on your text. And you can customize your background. Just double click on the background, so click change background and then click image, and you can choose from Wix recommendation and click save when you're done with it. Okay, next I'm going to show you how you can connect your business email to Wix. The first thing you do is click connect, and then if you already have domain, so just click connect a domain and then fill in your domain here and click let's go. If you don't have your domain yet, the first thing you have to do is you have to buy a $5 or $6 plan for it. You can also buy or get it from the website wix.com business email. After there, you can also start here your business email. So this is how it works. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.